Last time Max Scherzer pitched on this mound, it was Game 7 of the 2019 World Series. He was a Washington National, and the Nats won the World Series that night. And he goes down on the slider out of the strike zone, and so Scherzer makes quick work of Altuve, a 3-pitch strikeout. He wasn't hitting, and he wasn't hitting for power early, and he strikes out on 3 pitches here. Second strikeout for Scherzer. 1 down in the second. Significant amount of time as Diaz strikes out, so Scherzer's got his breaking ball working tonight. He's been getting him to chase it out of the strike zone. He's got 3 strikeouts through his first 5 batters. And he strikes out Bregman with a slider right in the middle of the plate. 3-2 coming. And he got him to chase for strike 3. 5 strikeouts now for Scherzer, and he's now retired 8 in a row. 1-2 coming to Tucker. And he got him with the back foot slider. Side retired. That's on the outside corner. Got him looking at a fastball. And so Scherzer, for the 3rd time this year, is through 7. And he struck him out. He threw a fastball right by him. Strikeout number 8 for Scherzer. 1 out in the 8th.
And good fastball.